Welcome everyone. Welcome to the first online training session of JCI Bangalore Horizon. And we are so privileged that this training session is handled by the founder president of our chapter, Arlo Jay Chandra sir. So thank you so much for accepting and doing this first training session, online training session for us. Meanwhile, there are certain do's and don'ts that I would like to tell you all before we start with the training session. I request all of you to kindly mute yourself. And if you have anything that you want to talk, or if you have any issues that you want to ask some questions in between, you have a chat window there. You can either specifically mention to Jessa or to everyone. You can just put in your chat that you have a question to ask. However, at the end of the session, you will have some time where you can ask your question and he will respond to it. So let's mute and let's make sure that we switch on the video also if we want. If you don't want to switch on your video, you can also switch off your video as such. But before we start the program, I request all of you to just switch on the video once. If you can all switch on the video, we will take a picture of all of them who are present, and then we will I'll give the session, hand over the session to our president, Madam Deepa. So she will introduce our trainer for the day, and we will carry on with the session. So before I pass it on to our president, Deepa ma'am, can we all please switch on our video, and we will just take a screenshot of it. Jay sir, if you can, stop sharing the screen for a second. We will just take the picture of all the participants. Yeah. Acharya brothers, can we have your video on, please? And somebody with Ready-Me phone, can we have your video on, please? Okay, in the interest of time, I don't want to waste too much of time, so I will quickly hand it over to our president, Madam Deepa Acharya. First of all, thank you everyone for being a part of this, and let's make this session a great session. The quarantine is going to be a full-on learning mode now on for us. Thank you so much. Over to you, ma'am, Deepa ma'am.
Namaste everyone. Welcome to the day where we all are here to learn, utilize the quarantine truthfully. I run short of words to introduce the trainer of this evening. He's an NLP practitioner. He's a psychotherapist, hypnotherapist, everything. We all know him very well. In JCI, he's honored with an award PPP, and he's a founder president of our chapter, JCI Bangalore Horizon, which has gifted 2 national trainers and 2 zone trainers, and lot of trainers are on the path, are being made in the making by our Jay sir. So without taking much time, may I over to Jay sir, the faculty of the evening, to give us all an insight about goals, setting goals for life. Welcome to the learning session, Jay sir.
Thank you, President Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
This evening, for the next 45 minutes to 50 minutes, we will say how we can engage ourselves in this webinar. So what I'm going to ask you is, for the next 45 to 15 minutes, your focus has to be, if your focus is mostly here, it is like co-creating ourselves. We are going to learn together with each other. That is what the whole plan is. So let us see how we can do that. So for the sake of the network, I'm going to keep the video off, the camera off, so that it is going to be useful for you. So keep your pads and pen with you. So let's go. All right. Okay, so you are seeing a figure, you are seeing a slide and there's a figure, there's an arrow mark. What does it mean to you? So you can reflect on this for a couple of minutes and you can put it in the chat box so that Sitara can look into the chat box and she can read it. What does it mean to you in relation with goals? So Sitara, you can go through that and you can read it.
Anu ma'am has written move.
Okay.
And nobody else has texted us yet. Okay, Deepa ma'am has said beyond.
Mm-hmm.
Galaxy J7, I don't know your name. So they've written creating path.
Mm-hmm. Interesting.
Okay, Kavya says creating path.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. So meanwhile, what do you say?
Well, I think it's about the end that we are looking at, the ultimate.
Okay. So what are others saying? I'm also looking at the chat box here.
Limitless exploration, Deepa ma'am says.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful, isn't it? So, so I see someone over there, standing and looking out for a way ahead.
Yes.
So that is what my representation is, and yeah, beyond what is there, creating a path, right? So the question arises: where am I going? Towards what? It's a big question always. So we'll start from here. So we need something over there for us to make a path or go beyond. These are all the language that we use. But are we clear where we want to go? Where are we heading? Is the question that I'm going to start with. Okay. Where are we heading? So one more question for you all. Why do people fail?
Because they don't plan well.
Okay. What else? Others, can you key in? No clarity in goal. All right. What else? Lack of interest.
Lack of interest, Kavya says.
All right. Wonderful. It's interesting. What else? Why do people fail? Lack of preparation. Arvind. Wow. No clarity, lack of interest, lack of preparation. What else? Lack of confidence. Yeah. So I'll also add along with this, as people are thinking, I'll also add, it is like the picture shows, don't know what we want, no choice, do everything by chance. Yeah. Or we want to do many things and we don't know which one to focus on as well. That can be also a possibility. We have many things, we want to do many things, right? So whenever I'm going to talk about, say people, it also means yourself, means myself. Okay. So that's very interesting. People have many things in their mind clouded, and which one to go, where to go, how to go. And also they don't take support of people. Look at the figure, look at the slide over there. It says, he gives something, because we are occupied in our mind always that we don't realize how much it is going to help us. Actually, we don't seek help from anyone. We want to be in our own world most of the time. So where is the path where we will go beyond? This becomes a fascination. This becomes a great ideas within us that we keep on daydreaming sometimes or many times. Very interesting. So also ask, why do I fail? Write the question, because this webinar, after this webinar, it's your reflection, it's your own life. Why do I fail? That's a good question to ask. Why? Or what happened? All right. So we had discussed that picture about a man standing, and then the path ahead. Then we discussed about why do we fail. There were many things that popped up. So the topic of the day, as we said, it's about goals. To start with, we want to know what we want. Even a simplest thing is very important, but we have to be clear. So what it is. So for a moment, do answer this question, what it is and why is it important for you? Take a moment, answer, and then go ahead, type it out in the chat box. So whatever you get in your mind, you can drop down in your chat box. Okay, so what it is. So Deepa says it's important because it gives a vision of my own life. Okay. So what is goal then? What it is? You will be bored without goals. Destination. Goal is a destination. Okay. It gives reason for a life. Yeah, to live. Yeah. What else? Guys, let us make this very interactive. I know that. Otherwise, it will be, I'm not interested in one-way learning. It's something which we want to achieve. Okay, now the question is something. Huh? So what is goal? Yeah, something which we want to. Sitara, goals are our desired outcome. It shapes the way we proceed in our life. All right. So you are gone till that outcome of NLP. Okay. It's the success of life. Okay. Right. A goal properly defines our potential. Interesting. Okay. Right. So there are many things that came out. So what are goals? Let us say you go to Majestic, or you go to Majestic bus station or a railway station, and there you want to buy the ticket. And if you don't know where you want to reach, what you will do? It's so simple. Always we think about big things. Think about small thing. It can be a goal for you. If you are a student, or if you are a mother, or if you are a father, we play many roles, by the way. We play many roles in our life. So at that point, what is important is very, very essential. So if I'm going for a travel, my goal is to reach my destination. So I need to be clear about my goal, where I'm going to reach. And then why it is important? It's very important, because if I don't reach, what will happen? It's very, very important. So in life, without goals, we don't live. Without goals, we don't live in our life, right? Okay, do you believe in goals? Okay, then answer this question. Pick an experience from your life, reflect and share. The experience can be with goals or without goals. What happened? A specific experience you can share within 2-3 lines. Yes, experience related to goal, what we are talking here. Pick an experience from your life, reflect on that and share. It can be of an experience where you had clear goals and where the importance of that was so high, and then what happened of that. Go ahead. Who is going to share now? So you can unmute and share. 1 or 2 can unmute and share, or one experience is. I lead program was a goal set and achieved. Okay, right, wonderful. Also write what are the challenges that you faced, because those were the learning, those would have been the learning moments. The goal I set for myself in the year 2014, probably in the month of November, that was to be a principal, and by January I could achieve it. Wonderful, right? And also write the importance, why the goal was important to you. It's very, very important, the question, because we all know about smart. You know, we are very smart in knowing everything, but when it comes to our life, we don't reflect. So note down along with this. With goals, it is achievement, and without goals, it is disaster. Okay, can you take an experience and write it down, where you achieved and where it was an movement of learning? So I prefer calling it as movement of learning rather than failure or disaster. The urge of being a leader. Okay, that's important for you. So how it is going to satisfy you? Isn't it? Something satisfied, the confidence that I can be an educator. Okay. And then what else? And then what else? Very important question, that one. Now, why it is important to you? Because many people, we set goals, we don't achieve it. You know why? Because we have lost the importance in that. We don't know why it is important to me. A person who sets a goal and finds something beneficial from that, the person will achieve that goal. Wonderful. Hope others are also writing it down, because it reflects our potential. Okay. So I will ask you once again to pick an experience from your life where you had achieved your goal, and then that helped you to understand and unleash your potential. Pick an experience, very important. Even that is the goal of this webinar. Because we all have all the potential within us. Sitara will be smiling from there, because I used one of the NLP presupposition.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's important, because I felt that was the purpose I had. Oh, Deepa, you are making it more philosophical. Come down. Might be recognition, might be your identity over there. Identity. Anuradha says identity, to develop a mind in leadership quality, to explore myself. Be more specific. Because importance is for me. Why I want to be a trainer? Trainer was my goal. Why I want to be a trainer? Ask that. Very important. Because we have to know how to use why. Otherwise, it is not good. Why is very powerful if you know how to use it. By the way, everything is powerful and resourceful. So I'm here in this page for you to write down, because your own life, if you had been 20 years now, or if you had been 30 years, or if you had been 40 years, you would have either had the moment of learning in your life, or you would have achieved it. Even that was a moment of learning in your life. Because without your benefit, you will not have goal. Because there's nothing in that. I have the urge of being a good therapist and is helping to understand my own identity, also helping to reach my goal. Yeah. Shilpa, still, what is that identity? What it gives you in your family. So as a person, in your family, in your social circles, it's very important. Huh? It's very, very important. Otherwise, we read book on goals, and you can listen to any YouTube channel and nothing will happen. For me to be identified as a facilitator, okay, with specialization with young men. So what will that give it to you? What will that give it to you? Because while setting our goals, while framing our goals, goals are very important. When you frame these goals in this way, you will definitely achieve it. 100%, because that's the deal you are making with yourself. Self-identity. Wonderful. That's awesome. Because there is a sure benefit. Otherwise, why you want to pursue it? Without benefit, why you want to do? If you want to become a meditator, that is a sure goal. You are going to do a meditation, that is a goal. You want to be calm, you want to be for yourself, you want to reflect on yourself. So that is something that you get out of it, right? What is that you want? All right. Now let's go ahead. I choose to be a principal for power, name, and fame. Wow, Deepa. Now you had really knocked that one out. Because a person who can share it, power is very important. If you know how to use it. Because
I agree.
Yeah. Because sometimes more power, then it can be very detrimental for us. But it's all learning. The first and foremost the goal that one can have is to learn from anything, any movement, or any person. This can be one of the goal that one can have. Otherwise, we will start blaming others, or we will start getting depressed, or we will feel so sad, because that's the moment where I get an opportunity to understand about myself, what I want to improve, and I can make it as a goal and go further. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. Life without goals, it's like this. It's like a mess. Lot of confusion. Life without goals is like this. Somewhere, everything messed. They don't know when they are doing, what they are doing, how they are doing, for what they are doing, and finally completely confused. And their personal life, professional life, and their community life, and with their relationship, because they are not clear about their goals. All right. Okay.
Jaisa, we lost your screen share.
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Okay, sorry.
So somewhere the connectivity got lost. So I'm sharing it once again. You got it now?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Yes, we got it.
Okay, fantastic. So
Yeah.
life without goals, it's like a complete mess. So whenever you are getting into a kind of confused state or where nowhere or something is happening inside you, just put yourself, ask, what is the goal that I am working on? Because you will not get lost. If you are clear with your goal, you will not get lost. Your direction will be set. Wherever you go, you know where you want to reach, right? If you are not clear with goals, with each and every person, each and every movement, each and every other experience will trigger you some kind of other emotion. Remember this. All right. How do you feel? How do you feel without a goal or not finding anything important in that goal? Now, people usually they delay things, they procrastinate, they become directionless. Nothing happening. They keep on saying nothing happening because no clarity at all. They say I'm empty. I don't know what I'm doing. Yes, Suresh. That's fantastic. So don't know about the future. No clarity. They feel lost. They usually get into this kind of emotions: sad, anger, restless feeling. They feel very frustrated, low self-esteem and low self-worth. Keep on questioning self and others. Why this is happening to me? What about my luck? Where am I going ahead? These are all no clarity in the goal. So I'm talking about the importance of goals of your own life. So this is the moment for you to have your goals so clear, asking why it is important to me. And at this moment in time, whatever you are going through, just ask this. So now, what are your goals? So take a moment. I've given you 4 areas here. There are many models outside. I prefer a very simple model because it is our own life. Having a big models and doing nothing is of no use. Having a simple model and then doing many things makes you feel awesome. You know that? You will be proud of yourself. Who doesn't want to achieve? Who doesn't want to be successful? It carries some pride. Is it not? So these are the areas. Ask now. Take a moment, reflect, and write it down in the chat box. Personal. What is my personal goal? Education, health, fitness, learning, travel. Family. Brainstorm. Kids' education, family, home, buying a car or a vehicle, or taking care of my parents or my own self. Look at this. At least there are many areas. Professional career growth. I know many youngsters, when I go and ask them in college, they say, what's your goal? Nodana sir, first pass agidre aamele nodtivi sir. Andre no vision. When you will see, when you will get the certification and when you go out, then you will start, brainstorming things. So professional career growth, business expansion, how much I want to earn. Social, community being, and service, networking, belonging. So write down 1 or 2 goals. Later on, you can write many as you want. As of now, write it down. And as you have noted it, please do enter in your chat box, because writing helps to make your goals concrete. My personal goal is to be fastest athlete in my class. Oh, all right, good. What's your name? I see Acharya Brothers. Can you write? Because my goal, this is important to me. My goal is to understand who you are. Sunada. Right. That's a great goal. Very positive. Yeah, concise. Family, professional, and social. Can you make it as a goal? Family, professional, and social. It's very generic. Be very specific. Professional, to be an entrepreneur. Still generic. Sitara. Family, to take care of my parents and in-laws. Still very generic. What specifically? Personal, education. Aravind, what is that in education? Can you make it very specific? I want to complete my MBA, or I want to complete my bachelor in BE in computers, or BE in civil, or BE in this. My personal goal is not to procrastinate any work. Shortest goal and blogging. All right, so my personal goal is not to procrastinate. That is in the, it has to be positive. So what do you want to do instead of not to procrastinate? Very important. Huh? All right now. So you had brainstormed something over there. Keep it in yourself. So what are your so and so? Keep it over there. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, now it's break time. You can break for loo or have a coffee or some water and come. What's the time now? Sitara, what's the time now?
It's 7:03, sir.
7:03. So shall we come back by 7:08?
Okay, yes, sir. All
right, do some stretching exercises, energizer, very important for the trainer, facilitator, and even for webinar host, right? We'll come back by 7:08.
Yes, sir.
So what's happening? Still time is there?
We have another 3 minutes, sir.
Ding dong. Welcome back. Hope all are.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We are here.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah. All right. So how are things going with you now? We have done 30 minutes of our session. Where are you standing? What's your understanding? So you can enter in your chat box, each one of you. Okay. I want to start my business in the area of HR and training in another 3 months. All right. I want to. Good. Thinking about the earlier discussion. All right. And how do you feel about it? How do you feel of your thinking? Planning smart goals. So what is your feeling about your thinking? Others? Getting more clarity. Okay. You are not. So hopefully by the end of this webinar, you will be having, you'll start having goals each and every day, and you will start planning it. That is what the whole objective also. You know, you will start planning for the next day. A lot of introspection on goals. Okay. So where are others? Others are there?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Wonderful. So what is happening inside you? What is that you are thinking or feeling? Can you write it out in the chat box?
Yeah.
Need to have more specific goals, Bhavana. Yeah, more specific goals. Yes, indeed. You need to have it.
I can't even remember working code.
All right, so let's move ahead because we have, okay, thinking about my future goals and ongoing plans. Wow, that's interesting. Also about your present one, because present, past, present, and future, everything is important for us because we lived our past and we have this moment for us. And the more we are going to plan and do in this moment, it will help us to progress to the next moment in our future. Super, wonderful, awesome. Okay, here we go. Now, the whole thing is designing our goals. How are you going to design our goals? Your goal, right? So you have written some goals there. Look at it, answer this question. What I want, why I want it? Because this why is very important. It's your intention, why I want it. And make it compelling. Every other thing, answer it. Because you would have dropped your goal over there. Answer this in this format. Okay, Shilpa and Suresh, take a moment and I want you to answer. You know, you can take a moment and answer these questions for your goal. This is how we are going to design this. So take a moment and answer this.
What I want is, with a lot of struggle, what we have completed. So we need to reach.
Okay, So what I will ask you is you can type it out and send. Okay,
No,
you can
actually,
type it out.
it's not coming in my mobile.
Pardon?
Keyboard is not coming in my mobile, so I'm just giving
Oh,
a
all right. Okay. So what you can do is you write it down. You write it down. You can take a picture and you can send it, I think.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Because today is the first video chatting I'm doing it, so I'm a little bit confused.
No problem. So you are a little bit confused. Yeah. Did you plan? So there is a question over there. The goal for today is getting into a webinar, right? And
Yeah.
the final question, what knowledge, skills and capabilities I need? So that's what here. Yeah, the moment I'm answering this question, I will prepare for my goal. Otherwise, I will not prepare for my goal. That is the whole idea of these questions.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Please do answer these questions and keep. Others, whoever had answered, drop in the chat box. Deepa says, why PhD? It's a dream from my childhood. Okay. Now, why still? You need to refine it, Deepa. It has to be very specific. It's very general. Dreams are dreams. Dreams, wishes. Now we are talking about goals. And these goals, we are turning that goals into an outcome. Though I am not using that word outcome, it is not mandatory. There are many things that it carries. If you take a moment, reflect and be over here and answer this, then you will get it. Otherwise, PhD will be somewhere, Until you answer these questions, we will not reach our goals. What I want, why I want that goal. What is my current status? Means where do I stand? What support I need? And from whom? Make it very specific.
I should take out my fear that something is very hard to work in system.
All right, that is always the goal has to be in a positive way. The goal statements has to be positive. So the question that what I want can be like this. I want to handle system with ease and comfort.
Yes.
See my goal, I need to improve my skills by exercising them. What skill? Sunada, what skill? Skills are general. What skill? Because exercise, there are many exercises. But there are specific exercises to develop certain skills. All right. So Suresh says what challenges. So go ahead, Suresh. You have to write this, answer this question so that it becomes very clear. All right, running skill. Okay. Now, what exercises that you want to have this skill? That's very important. Hope you understand. Even others. There are specific exercises. You cannot do all the exercises. You cannot weight lift, and you cannot what do you call? You cannot do a swimming and say, okay, I'm preparing for running. Please do answer this question. All the questions that I have provided. This is more than enough. This is how we design. The best thing is have a goal journal. Buy it tomorrow, or make it at home. Take A4 sheets and collect it. Design your goal journal, because that's your goal journal. That's your life. Okay, push-ups, jogging, skipping. How much you want to have push-ups? 5, 10, 15, 20? Make it very specific. Because we people carry in our mind, all right, write it down. So we people carry in our mind. Until you write it down, it is just a wish. Anytime you can say, okay, I don't know, I had forgotten. It got erased.
First, we need to trace out the problems where we are And then
We are
you have
talking
to work
about-
it out on particular problems.
No, we are talking about the goals here. So convert that problem into a goal and write.
Reaching to the goal only, we have certain problems, right?
So there I had given the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How will I handle those challenges? Anyway, without challenges, there is nothing on this earth. So how will I handle those challenges? So what knowledge, skills, and capabilities I need to handle those challenges? Did you get what I said?
No.
Yeah. Explore and improve in teaching skill. Okay. So what skill specifically? Because the next slide for you is this: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. Everything has to be in this format. I want to be an entrepreneur because it's my passion. Okay, I'll take this Sitaras as an example. Entrepreneur means what? Grocery shop, paint shop, clinic, counseling, training shop. What specifically, Sitara? Because it's my passion. Why it is your passion? What you will get? The second question. It gives me the power to be the master of my own. Still more specific. What kind of power? How will you feel? My status currently, I have found a partner and the HR service product are being worked on. Okay. HR and training services. That's interesting. So answer these questions, keep on refining it in this format: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bound. What I can say you is this: we will have lot of learning movement. Until we are ready, we will not achieve that goal. Remember this. It is challenging because we are yet to understand it. We are working towards it. We are work in progress. Who we are work in progress. The moment we are ready, that goal is in our hand. Improve my
To
teaching.
reach the goals, skills are my challenge.
Pardon?
To reach the goal, skills are my challenge.
All right, write down what skills that you want. What is the challenge? And answer this question. How are you going to, what skills, what knowledge that can help you to come out of challenge?
Okay.
Because challenges are your challenges for you to learn. Because my challenge is my challenge. My challenge can never become your challenge. Something I find it easy, you can find it challenging. Something I find it challenging, you will find it easy.
Yeah.
All right. Once again, the design question, write down. So every time you are going to make a goal, write it down. And most importantly, it has to be in alignment with this, in these areas. Personal area, family area, professional area, social area, because everything is connected.
Professional area.
So make it very clear, write it down. So design it, write these questions, answer these questions, and then make it smart. Once you answer this question, then you make it smart. Sit over there, you need to spend your time. If Sitara says HR and training services, what kind of services that we are going to offer? What kind of HR services? Because there are many services. So you need to know what are the 3 or 5 basic services that you are going to offer. Okay. Now, we will convert that into the vision. How we are going to convert it? I said that earlier, that make a goal journal, or you have a white chart and then write or draw colorfully your vision about your goal. Make a mind map out of it. Make it there. Let it be there in your home. Let it be there on your desktop. Because every time a thought comes, you can add it, you can refine it. Every day. Instead of that, it's so boring. Because your whole goal is to draw your vision. because this is how your vision is going to be. How are you going to make it in your mind? How are you seeing it? And you can invite the experts, you can invite your friends, and you can invite your partners and ask them for the feedback. Ask them for the feedback. How is this? How I can improve? What else can I add in this? Remember, people, if they are saying something, giving you a negative feedback or a positive feedback, it doesn't matter. Because what does matter is they are giving you an very important input. And that too free of cost. Take that input. And then like a piece in a puzzle, see that how it is, whether it is useful for your goal. Because free of cost, you are getting an input. It's worth it. Everyone is resource for us. Every moment. So first is designing. Identify which areas, personal, professional, family, business, and then design it using those questions, and then make it so smart. Means refine it. Keep on refining it. Keep on refining. The more you refine it, you become better at setting goals and working on that. And then visioning. Finally, it has to come out on the vision. Now, every successful person, a successful entrepreneur, a person who had started his business, you take Alibaba or Facebook or WhatsApp, if you had visited them, they have many charts. It's nothing but bringing their mind out. They are putting their vision out. And you become so adept in it if you start doing it. Next is how. After visioning, write it down. How? Step 1, step 2, step 3. How am I going to reach my goal? These steps. Once again, use the SMART in this. How am I going to? Let's say 3 months, HR and training services. I have written my wants, means designed it. And then I had made it so smart. And then I had drawn it on the page or on the chart so colorfully. Now comes the how. How am I going to reach it? Break it into steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. It is like you are going to climb the 3rd floor. You cannot just jump. If you are capable enough and if you are good enough, if you have that ability like Hanuman, you can always do that. Otherwise, the simplest thing is walking up step by step. First, I have to keep my first step so that I will take it to the next step. It's like that step by step. How is very important. And then after how, the most important thing is actioning. Actioning is what? Did I do my first step? So if you have not taken the first step, then you need to ask yourself, question yourself. That has to be your first goal. This is the most important step. If you have not taken your first step, let us say, Sitara, you have made a goal that tomorrow I will work with that, and by tomorrow evening 6 p.m. I will have my visioning chart on that. And now first step for that is what? For this goal, to come out with the vision chart. Can you write some 3 steps and let me know here? Type it out, Sitara. Yeah, step 1, step 2, step 3. Tomorrow, let's say you assume that, you imagine that tomorrow you are going to, by 6 p.m., you are going to come out with the visioning chart. What is the first step, second step, and third step? So others can also write it down with the goals that you have been working.
So can you repeat once again, sir, clearly?
So, see, I said your goal, let us take an example goal for you, that coming out with an visioning, let's say designing it, fine-tuning it with SMART goals and coming out with the visioning chart. So that is the goal by tomorrow 6 p.m. to come out with a visioning chart. So for that, what is the first step? How many steps? Let's say assume 3 steps. What can be the first step, second step, third step? Because the outcome is your chart.
Okay.
Let's say I want to make a cup of coffee. As you are writing, I'm going to share mine. I'm going to make a cup of coffee at around, let's say, 7:45. What I will do, first step is I will call Anuradha, right? And then second step is I will talk to her in a very requesting way. Can you help me with a cup of coffee? Third step is I will follow it up till I have a cup of coffee in my hand. Step 1, to identify the key aspects of the services to be provided. Okay. So the outcome is, final goal is having a chart, vision chart, to write up my steps needed to reach. All right. Others also you can key in, or you can write it in your book and keep. And you can share it in our WhatsApp. After you have written, you can take a snap and you can share it in our WhatsApp group. Step 2, mind map the road map of steps. All right, interesting, good. And then third, step 3. All right, it's nearing 7:30, so make it faster. Write it up, draw the chart, and put it on my board. Ah, wonderful. 1, 2, 3. Anuradha. Right. So also fine tune it. A little suggestions for you. My steps. What kind of steps? You can fine tune it, and you can make it more specific as well. Right. Okay. So where are you typing? Step 2, to understand the core benefits to myself and society. All right. So how these things are in alignment for you to come out with your visioning chart? That will be my question for you. It's a coaching question. Because I find it more generic over there. You are still thinking in your mind, brainstorming. That is what my understanding is.
Yes, sir. I'm in my brainstorming mode, so I'm just going back to that.
Because you know the whole steps is, how is this? I will go and purchase one white sheet and sketch pens if it is not available here, and I will sit over there. Second step, sit over there and put everything in a format. Write down what I want, the design, and I make it very smart, and then draw my vision chart, and then keep it over there. It can be very simple steps. So the learning is make this simple. Actioning is make it simple. Otherwise, it becomes so in our mind and we don't take action. Even a small movement is very important for you. Remember this. Even a small movement can change your life.
So,
if I want to exercise,
could it be like first step is to identify what exactly the companies would need as an HR service from an outsourcing agency? First, to do a basic research on that. Step 1. Step 2 is to align your product and services, your services in tune with brainstorming and getting those products and services which could be of mutual benefit to you and to the customer.
All right, now, how are you going to bring this in your vision chart? Because still it is in your mind only.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. So what I was saying is, answer that. I understood it. Answer those questions, and then make it smart, and then come out with the how steps, and then action it. Let's say, for example, let's say I want to drink water. That's my goal. Now I want to make a sandwich. What I want? I want to get bread and check out whether it is available or not. Get breads, get whatever material it is, resources, cheese, butter, and then stove, everything is there. And next one, prepare, cut. Step 2 is cut and make things ready. And third one is cook it. Fourth one is, it's so simple. Sometimes we make it so complex that we don't do what we want to do. This is our learning point. And let us make this habit. What I'm going to say is the real secret. Tomorrow, every day we have some things to achieve. Write down today. How your tomorrow going to be. What are your goals for tomorrow? And answer this in this way. Because action, until you are going to do that, your action will not happen. All the successful people does it every day, day in and day out. Is it not your life is important? Is it not we are going to live tomorrow, the next moment? And many people ask, no, what is that I'm going to cook? It means no clarity. Okay, anything I can cook. What is that anything? So simply say, I'm going to cook a noodles, or based on the time, make it very specific and measurable, achievable, realistic, time bound, and action it. Every moment we are doing something. So action steps ahead. Here are a few action steps I have listed. Reflect on your life areas and your goals. Challenges or issues, convert to goals. That is what I said earlier. Seeking support from others. Review your progress. Keep your goal journal. Take stock of your situation. Make changes appropriately. Let's say if there is some kind of deviation is found, you need to take immediate action, because this is your life. Otherwise, you will be killing your time. Your time is money. Your time is precious. Take inspiration. Get motivated to inspire others. Be with people who can help you achieve your goals. Be a role model. And finally, start now. Because as I said, every moment we are using our mind. There's a goal, something that we want to achieve in our life. Bring it to every day. Bring it to every hour. Then our life becomes so meaningful, purposeful for us to live. We don't feel bored. We don't feel sad. We don't feel desperate. We feel so good. We feel happy because we are contributing for people, for us. All right, here, question and answers. Anyway, I'm going to skip few slides. So when we achieve our goals, celebrate success. Celebrate your success. Party with yourself. Go ahead. With your family, with your friends, enjoy it. Because in NLP, we call it as anchoring. Anchor that success. And you have your wealth. Remember your goal journal. When you flip back, you learn from your own life. And after 10 years, you can publish your book of your success. How you turned all your challenges to success. How much powerful it will be for you. Instead of reading someone's books to get inspired, now people are going to read your own book. You become a role model of that. All right, here we go. We are coming to the end of our session. Write down 3 points you have learned. Take your moment, write down 3 points you have learned from today's session and type it out. Write down 3 points. So you can unmute and also speak. Your 3 points, or 1 point is also enough.
Well,
And
to
each
have a goal journal, have a goal, on a daily basis is something that is really inspiring from this session.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
All right, life is incomplete without a goal. Umesh, thank you. Have goal. Be aware of the steps you are taking to achieve it. Bhavana, yes. So what's your learning from today? Suresh is there, Deepa is there. Okay, clarity in goals, the why. Yeah, goal journal, fantastic. Work on improving self to attain this set goal. Yeah. Sketch here tomorrow for your goals today. Set goals, conscious of goals, work on it, take action. Wow. How to frame goals with clarity. Yes, amazing. All right. So it's time for us to say thank you and sign off from this session. Hope you all enjoyed. You can unmute. Everyone can unmute. And let us see if we can take a photograph now. Can we?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let us see your faces.
Can all of you switch on your videos, please?
Switch on your videos, please. Your faces, please.
More to go, Ready Me and Acharya brothers.
Yeah. Deepacharya. Acharya brothers is Deepa's sons.
Okay. Meanwhile, before we sign out, one more thing. Tomorrow, we have our session tomorrow. The session on useful online resources and tools, free resources that we can all use. So it is again from 6:30 to 7:30. So would you all be interested to join again? If yes, please in the chat box write yes. And
Have you taken the photograph?
yes, the photograph is done, sir.
Done. Wow, 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 wow. Chalo, tomorrow we will meet. Hope you people enjoyed.
And please do register in the group for tomorrow's program. Yeah, thank you everyone for your time.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Yes, sir, thank you so much, sir.
Sitara.
Yes.
It was a wonderful session by Dr. C.J. Jayachandra. So thank you very much for sharing your knowledge and make us definitely think about the goals to be set to make our lives better. And I'd like to thank all the participants who have registered, and I know it was a great session of learning for all of us. And I would like to thank Anuradha Jayachandran ma'am for the continuous guidance she's been helping us with. And huge round of applause for our VP training, JC Sitara, who has taken the initiative of, setting up Zoom. And because most of us are not that thorough with the webinars. So this is probably the first webinar some of us are attending. So thank you, VP
Let's
training,
say
JC
woo.
Sitara.
Let's
Thank
say
you.
woo.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thank you
First
very
in our
much,
zone.
Sitara, and
Remember
looking
that.
forward for another session of learning, technical learning about apps that could be useful for our day-to-day life from VP training JC Sitara tomorrow. And
Tomorrow at 6:30, yes.
yeah, tomorrow at 6:30, probably 2020, all of us could meet the way we met today. And maybe if all of us are in time, we can have the screen, we can have the photograph taken in the beginning itself. And then we could begin the session so that the 1 hour could be utilized for proper learning. Thank you,
Deepa ma'am.
Jay sir again. Thank you, Anu ma'am. Thank you, Shilpa Kalbag ma'am, for being with us. Thank you very much. And thanks to all the participants for your wonderful participation.
Thank you, Deepa. Thank you, Jay sir.